Hey everybody, it's Laura with the North Raleigh Seed Library. My garden is a hot summer mess, but I want to show you the new ideas coming your way. I'm so excited. Okay, see the headboard frame here? And see where it's got the canopy up here, right? And it's got the wisteria growing. It's got the roses on the back of the canopy. Well, check this out. Right here where the fern is, and right here where the fern is, I'm getting ready to put two trees, ginormous trees. And my friend Ed, props to Ed, he gave me the best idea. He's checking into using fringe trees, and they don't get very big very fast. And we're getting the miniature ones. Yes, there's miniature ones. And we're going to put the two, we as in the royal we, me, myself, and I, are going to put in the two trees in front of each fern. One here, and then we're going to bring them up, and they're going to be the front posts for this arbor. I don't know if it's an arbor. I don't know what it is. Anyway, cover. So now you've got post. Now I'm going to cut the whole front of the tree off, the side of the tree off, and I'm going to fold it back and over and put it through these holes. And guess what? That makes the canopy over the table, over the patio area, since the patio area is kind of small. And check this out. Then I've got two rose bushes to climb up the trunks of these trees, and they're going to be good size. I think I'm hoping for at least 7-8 feet. They'll grow to 10 to 15 feet, but I'm never going to let them get that tall. I'm going to form them over with their branches, just like I did my arches. I'll show you that later. Anyway, and then the fringes in the flowers in the spring will have white hanging down from the canopy over the table, along with the purple wisteria. And guess what? I don't have to worry about not having enough sun for my roses here that are going to be full, because on the back side of this, it gets tons of sun. Then I'll take my ferns and I'll push them back here to where my rose trees are, and then I'll adjust those. It's going to be delightful. And then I'm going to have rose bushes. Yes, I've already ordered them. And they're going to go up the trunks of the trees, and then they'll grow over the top, and it's just going to be lovely. Now, check out the next one.